Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the concept of money market hedge and forward market hedge. A money market hedge is a technique used to lock in the value of a foreign currency transaction in a company's domestic currency, and therefore a money market hedge helps a domestic company reduce its currency risk when doing business with a foreign company. A forward market is simply a binding contract over which two parties agree on settlement, on a settlement based on a fixed exchange rate in the future at a designated time. To best understand these two concepts, let us have the following example. We have a company which is expecting to receive 100,000 in 3 months. The spot rate at the moment is £1 to $1.5. The company's sterling balance receives a credit interest of 4%, and the company can borrow 3 months US dollars at 3%, and the forward rate is a 3 months time is fixed at 1.49, and the assumption is that 3 months time is around 90 days. Okay, so here we are going to compare the outcome for the company using the forward rate and using the money market rate. Now, the simplest of all is actually the forward market rate. So this is the forward market. The company is supposed to receive $100,000 in 3 months. And since it is a forward market, they have already fixed the rate at $1.49 to the pound, and that should lead to a amount received of 67,114 pounds, 67,114 pounds. So this is the amount expected using the forward market. Now let's explore the money market. Now, as we said, the in the money market, in this case, the company is expecting to receive in a 3 months time an amount of 100,000 from its client. Okay, but that is going to be in 3 months time, right? Now the company can, instead of waiting for the whole of this period, it can borrow an X amount of dollars now from a US bank, and that amount, in addition to the interest that the company will be charged with, will grow, okay, will grow to 100,000. So put it simply, the company will borrow X dollars and they will be charged a certain interest that within 3 months time it will grow to 100,000. So 1 plus the interest rate in the US is 3%. We divide by 360 since we are in the US, and then we multiply by the period, which is 90 days. And that should lead to the amount of dollars to be borrowed now to be 99,255. Okay, dollars. So this is the amount to be borrowed now. Because we have borrowed this amount now, we can instantly convert to pound. So $99,255 times 1, and then the rate at this moment in time is 1.5. So divide by 1.5, and that should give us a value of 66,170 pounds. Again, this amount is received now. How about if we take the same value, 66,170, and invest it in a UK bank at the rate which is given in here at 4% per annum. So 4% divided by 365 times the 90 days, and that should give us a value of 66,823 pounds. So what we can notice in here is that using the money market, we have actually, or we will be receiving a whole value of 66,823, while using the forward market, we will be receiving more, 67,114. So in this case, it looks like the forward market is a much better option for the company at this stage. Okay. Now, we might have a nasty scenario is that after 3 months, we don't receive the money from the client simply because the client has gone bankrupt. Now, in this case, if the company has decided to go with a forward contract, and we remember it is a legally binding contract, then the company needs to give $100,000 to the bank. Okay. In this case, it needs to get the dollars from the market. Okay. And the market charges an amount in here of 165. So it will cost the company, okay, dollars. So it will cost the company 66,000. Sorry, it will cost the company, if I make the calculation right, 100,000 divided by 1.65, okay, and that's 60,606. So this is how much it will cost the company to get the pound, to get the dollars. Now it will take the dollars that it got from the market and give it to the bank, which in exchange will give the company the pounds. Okay. So in this case, that's 100,000 divided by 149, and we should get 67,114 pounds. Now, if we notice in here, the company got from the bank 67,104, and it paid to the market 60,606. So really, the company has made a gain. 67,114 minus 60,606 pounds, okay. And that should give a value of 6,508 as a gain. Now, this situation when we have a defaulting client is simply called a close-out situation, and it has resulted in a gain in this case. I hope you enjoyed the video, okay, and I hope to see you again in another video. Thank you very much.